Good morning, class 8th. Today we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals for the revision. And firstly we are going to start with how the metals are going to react with oxygen, water, acid and bases. And similarly we are having the reaction of non-metal with the oxygen, water, acid and bases. So let's start how the metals are going to react with oxygen, water and what product they are going to form, which gas is going to be released. So learn these concepts very carefully. Okay, so firstly we are having the reaction of metal with the oxygen. Whenever the metals are going to react with oxygen, they are leading to the formation of metal oxide. What will form? Metal oxide. Oxide means addition of oxygen. For example, whenever the sodium is going to react with oxygen, it is going to form sodium oxide, and the nature of this oxide is basic in nature. And do you tell me what's the nature? It is basic. And how you can test that? We can test the basic nature of a substance by using any litmus solution. If we are going to use red litmus solution, it will turn into blue. Very good. Next one is how the metals are going to react with water. Whenever the metals are going to react with water, they can form metal oxide or hydroxide depending on the reactivity of metals. So, and there is also the liberation of which gas is there? Hydrogen. And this one is very important, which gas is released whenever the metals are going to react with water. I have written some one reaction here. Whenever the zinc is a metal, whenever it going to react with water, it is going to form zinc oxide, and there is a liberation of hydrogen. This arrowhead in the above direction, upward direction, shows that liberation of hydrogen is there. So there is also the formation of hydroxide. Whenever the potassium, it is going to react with water, it is leading to the formation of potassium hydroxide, and hydrogen is liberated and lot of heat is produced. So is it clear? Whenever the metals are going to react with water, they are forming oxide or hydroxide along with the liberation of hydrogen gas. Next one is what will happen when the metals are going to react with the acids. I'm telling you the questions which are related to this topic, so be careful, understand all the things. Whenever the metals are going to react with acids, they are going to form salt and hydrogen gas. Again, like zinc is a metal, and what is H2SO4? It is sulfuric acid. So metal plus acid, it is going to form salt, and liberation of hydrogen is there. Is it okay? And next one is what would be the product whenever the metals are going to react with the bases. And what would be the base? Sodium hydroxide. आपने सबने सुना होगा NaOH. Whenever the metals are going to react with base, there is also the formation of salt and liberation of hydrogen is there, and which is going to burn with the pop sound. And the example is like aluminium. It is a metal. This one is your base. And whenever they are going to react, they are leading to the formation of salt and liberation of hydrogen gas is there. So here it up to the reaction of metals with the oxygen, water, acid and bases. And in the next one, there is a reaction of non-metals with these oxygen, water, acid and bases. So we are going to start with that also. How the non-metals are going to react with oxygen. Whenever the non-metal, like I have taken, there is sulfur. Whenever the sulfur is going to react with oxygen, it is going to form sulfur dioxide, and the nature of this oxide is, it is acidic in nature. Okay, and how you can check the acidic nature? By using any litmus paper or litmus solution. If we are going to use blue litmus, it will turns to red. Very good. Next one is reaction of non-metal with the water. There will be no reaction. Reaction of non-metal with the acid, there will be no reaction. And reaction with the bases are very complex, and you will learn about these reaction in the higher classes. So this is up to here about the chemical properties of metals and non-metal in a tabular form, and you are supposed to revise all the things which we did in this lecture, so the topics will be more clear. Write more chemical equation related to the topics like oxygen, how the metals are going to react with water, acid and bases. So here is up to. Stay tuned for more lecture and for more revision work.